Hey, welcome to the assignment number 8 for CS50 game development. This time around we had to do helicopter. It is a 2.5D game, and we only had to make two changes. One was to insert gems into the game, and they are supposed to be worth 5 points, and reset the background scoring speed once the game over. So in the previous code only I've added 0 over here. Basically I've put this parameter over here which I have to pass the number to it. If it's equals to 1, which is in gems, I pass this value as 1, then the coin total increases by 5, otherwise it increases by 1. Everything else is pretty much the same. I pass 0 over here and 5 over here. Uh, the code actually I took was straight from the coins one because it's absolutely similar, nothing change is required whatsoever. And in spawner I made this couple of changes. First, obviously we had to remove all the other render functions because I only want to render one gem, not more than one in a row because it's more valuable. So I took this is actually for afterwards. First we gonna see the flow from here. So basically the range is the same, 1 to 5. So it can come again basically between 5 seconds anytime. So what the change I've made actually is here. It's a probability of 1 by 3 whether the gem will be rendered or not. So we can even make changes over here, make it 7 or something like that. But I just stick with this because otherwise it takes a lot of time sometimes. If it goes to the higher end like 7, then it takes a bit more time. Everything else is similar. The other change was required was to reset the background storage speed, and that we have done in game over text over here. So jump, which is the default for space. Here we set skyscraper spawner dot speed to 10f back to normal. So let's get into the game. Um, as you can see, the everything else is just working as it should. We have implemented gems. As you could see, the gem was worth 5 points. The frequency of gem is way lower than the coins as required in the code. I'm just gonna now die here so we can see the change in the background scrolling speed. I'm just gonna let it scroll for a while, otherwise it's not very visible. Let's just keep building up its velocity so we can see a clear difference when we reset it. I'm just gonna let it scroll for some while. I think it's high enough now, so high enough for us to see a difference. As you could see, the scrolling speed is pretty high. Yeah, and yeah, we're back to our starting point. So that's it for this time around. Thank you.